Hi everyone, my name is Emma Colbert and I'm a professional artist working in the medium of soft pastel. Welcome to my little studio here and also to my YouTube channel where I have dozens of videos to get you started. When I first started out in soft pastel there were no video tutorials. So first of all, I started a blog on my website, and when lots of people started asking me about my techniques, it inspired me to start filming and making video tutorials. My aim is to share everything that I've learned over the last 25 years of experimenting with soft pastel with you and hopefully save you lots of time and also lots of money. Whether you're a complete beginner or you're already loving soft pastel, I hope that I can inspire you and push you further in this medium. Here on my YouTube channel, I have lots of playlists for you to explore. Everything from narrated time lapses to real-time tutorials taking you step by step through an entire painting. I also have a huge selection of informational videos talking about things like the best materials to buy, making it as a professional artist, and even a series on colour theory. I really try to cover everything that you'll need. The main reason that I'm able to devote so much time to making video content is because of the support that I get from my patrons on my Patreon channel. So if you enjoy what you see here and you'd like to learn even more from me and support me further in making this video content, then perhaps you should consider joining me over on Patreon. For a small monthly subscription, you gain access to my full catalogue of real-time tutorials. Unlike many of my tutorials here on YouTube, I go a step further on Patreon and add colour codes showing you exactly what colour I'm using. Also, they're narrated, giving you as much information as possible on a huge variety of different subject matters. On Patreon, you can join on any one of the levels that I offer, from basic access to personal monthly critiques. And if you'd like to just have a browse at what I have available in full-length tutorials, you can visit my library now at emmacolbertart.com and have a look. I've set this library up so that my patrons can easily locate what they're looking for. In the many years that I've used soft pastel, I've gone from an amateur kid with a passion for both animals and art to a professional artist and also an associate artist of Unison Colour soft pastels. Teaming up with Unison has led to me creating specific colour palettes to help artists understand colour better. I still love to create my commissioned portraits and my wildlife and landscape fine art series. But it really feels like every step of my journey has been leading me here to share this with you. I hope that I can pass on the healthiest addiction that you'll ever experience. And I also hope that you'll stick around just long enough on my YouTube channel to get inspired to pick up your pastels. Thanks very much for watching this, and please do subscribe and watch some more. I'm gonna get back to work now.